We guide you through how to cancel automatic payments on PayPal in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open the PayPal app or go to paypal.com and log in, then tap the settings icon, usually found at the top right of your screen. Next, select payments and click on automatic payments or manage automatic payments to view all the merchants currently authorized to charge you. Scroll through the list and choose the subscription or company you want to cancel. Then review the details to confirm it's the correct billing agreement. After that, press cancel or remove PayPal as your payment method, and when prompted, click cancel automatic payments to finalize the action. You should immediately see a confirmation message that recurring payment has been stopped, and PayPal will also send you an email for your records. Keep in mind that canceling automatic payments does not refund previous charges. So if you were billed recently, you may need to contact the merchant directly for a refund. Always double check your active payments every few months to avoid hidden subscriptions.